Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the Realme X1 Max device. Yes friends, finally there is some good news for the Realme X1 Max users, and the August security patch update started to roll out. Yes, so few of the users they did receive, and I did ask few of the users to send me the screenshot as well of exactly the update log. I'll try to explain what is the update log as well, but right now at this moment my unit did not receive the latest update unfortunately, but still I need to wait for my unit to receive. But meanwhile, let's see what is the update log includes in the Realme X1 Max device. So first thing, let's take the update version, which is of A.18. As you can see, previous update version is A.17. So right now it will be updated to the A.18 version. And next thing to note down is it will be updated to the August security patch update as well. That's another thing you should definitely understand, which is mentioned in this security log. As you can see, updated to the Android security August 2021. That's a good thing to know. And let's talk about what are the things got fixed with this kind of latest update. That's what I'm going to exactly show you. And these are system things, as you can see friends. So let's read out one by one what is the problems which got fixed. So fixed the problem of the desktop jamming in the low probability when dragging the floating windows. Okay, fix the problem of low volume of some Bluetooth headsets. Let's see what are the things are actually I am facing and what are the things got improved. Fixes the issues that the media volume becomes louder when the phone interrupted by a call when watching a video or playing a game at low volume. Yes, I did face this kind of issue. I did face, I think maybe 1 or 2 times. I did not take it too much serious because I did not get any kind of comments on that particular issue. That is the reason I did not make any video. But I think even that problem got fixed. That's good. And fixes the problem that the sidebar of the game assistant is not displayed in low probability after entering the game from the game space. Yes, sometimes it will not trigger the game space. As soon as you open the game, sometimes you won't get this kind of game space immediately. It will take some time, and sometimes it will immediately switch. It will not even turn on the game space. So that's another problem which got fixed. That's good thing to know. And next, let's check what are the other problems. Fixes the problem that the screen doesn't turn off automatically when it close to the ears during the call. So maybe the proximity sensor issue, maybe some users if you're facing, then that problem might also got fixed with this kind of update. That's a good thing to know, not bad. And next is regarding the camera. So every time we get an update, something will be regarding the camera. Something, I'm not sure, update log every time. So this time, previously they did fix, I think fixed the issue where the camera app would exit. As you can see, previously it got fixed, but right now what are the things got fixed? Optimized front camera sharpness performance in some scenes, not bad. And fixed the problem that the front facing gestures photograph has no effect in some scenes. Fixes the problem that the video super wide mode icon is not displayed in some scenes. So these are the things which got fixed friends with the latest update on the Realme X1 Max, and I'm really excited to test this kind of latest update in the Realme X1 Max device. Let's see how will the update gonna be there. So will this affect any kind of performance or not? These are the few things definitely I'll try to concentrate. And in case if you receive the update, let me know in the comment section below how many users did receive the update. But definitely I think it's gonna take some time. So previously it took for me to come the update in my mobile. It took close to I think 4 to 5 days of time. Even I'm expecting the same thing as well. Even right now, maybe it might take close to 4 to 5 days of time until all the users get this kind of update, not more than that. So maybe within 1 week, everyone should be receiving the latest Android security update. But let's see what's going to happen. And thank you friends for watching this video. Just a small information which I thought of sharing with all the Realme X1 Max users, because I'm getting plenty of comments on this one. When we'll be getting the Android security update? When? So here's the final answer friends, and finally it started to roll out. And see you in the next video friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.